Hey everyone, if you want to turn your app or website designs into interactive experiences without writing code, Uizard AI makes prototyping fast and beginner-friendly. In this video, I'll show you how to create prototypes in Uizard AI from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Uizard website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account and access the dashboard. Before finalizing the project, test the prototype multiple times and review the entire user journey from beginning to end. Once you're satisfied with the result, share the prototype link or export the project using the available options. For the best results, keep navigation simple, maintain consistency across screens, and focus on creating a user-friendly experience rather than adding unnecessary complexity. And that's how to create prototypes in Uizard AI in 2026. With interactive linking and AI-powered design tools, Uizard makes it easy to transform ideas into realistic prototypes without coding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.